Today, I want to talk about three things I didn't do to reach a million in revenue. Now, spoiler, I am not a guru. This took me 5 years. I'm not an overnight success. However, I do run a multi six figure per year business, and there are a couple of things that I think have really helped me that are going to help you too. Another caveat. Revenue is important, but take home pay and profit are extremely important as well. Never trust claims online without income transparency. Especially for us women, we need to talk about money. Keeping it hidden serves nobody. So let's get into it. Number one, I didn't wait for perfection. Action is everything in business. You don't need a perfect website. I'm a marketer and I said it. You need to get in front of your audience and make offers that resonate with them and that are aligned with their priorities. Number two, I didn't try to be everything to everyone. Okay, for the first year, I did. But I learned fast from an excellent coach. I honed my skills, I honed in on who I served and what I offered. And then I honed in on it again. Become excellent at your thing. Number three, I didn't ignore the foundations. You don't need to jump on every new trend. If you don't have brand messaging or a marketing strategy, start there. Start with the foundations before you try to master the latest TikTok dance. And why should you care? If you're a business owner and you want to create change in your life or the world, building your business is a critical vehicle for doing so. There you have it. Focus on the foundations, see how far it takes you, and you might just amaze yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more business and marketing content that will help you grow in a way that is peaceful and profitable.